Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 amazing ways how you can start thinking in English. Have you ever come across this type of situation where you want to say something, some simple thing, but it took a lot of time. You just want to express your thought, but the words are not coming in your mind. You are unable to think and express it. It happened with you, right? It happened with me also. When I was in the process of learning English, this thing were common and I used to keep quiet many a time. But I didn't stop. I came across these 5 super tips. This tips has been shared with my English teacher. So I thought, let me share with you today. So I'm here with this informative video. Please watch till the end because I am sure you will get a lot of information. So let's begin with today's video. How to encircle yourself with English. I mean to say, in order for you to start thinking in English, you need to immerse yourself with English. First thing what you need to do, you have to use some English learning apps. You need to utilize these language apps like Duolingo, Rosetta Stone or Babbel to surround yourself with English. When you use this type of application, what happens you know? You come across a lot of new words. Your vocabulary improves. Your grammar improves. Sentence structure gets a new shape. And you know how to communicate with people. Your conversational English becomes good because you get conversational practice there. In these applications, you come across people who speak in English, the trainers. They can guide you, they can motivate you, they can tell you the right path. So what are the benefits for this? The first benefit is that you meet trainers from all around the world. You understand their culture. You understand how they talk. After listening for quite some time, you understand their accent. And gradually, your listening skill develops. And that is how slowly your thinking power improves in English. The second benefit, you get a lot of ideas from these applications. In these applications, you meet trainers who share with you different techniques. They give you different tips how to improve your English, how to start thinking in English. And in this process, you speak and slowly you realize that your English is improving because your thinking skill, your thinking in English is improving. Next, play question and answer sessions daily. If you have a friend or a member in your family or someone who is willing to help you, okay, you can ask question in English. Instead of answering, you start with questioning because usually questions are small. Questions are always small, right? Compared to answers. So what you can do is that you can create a list of questions. Okay, write it down, the questions, and decide that tomorrow I'm going to ask these questions to someone. Or if you don't have anyone, just ask yourself. Make a habit that you will ask 10 questions every day. If possible, try to answer by your own. Okay, it is not necessary at the beginning that you answer. At the beginning, you should give more importance to asking the questions. So what are the benefits? The first benefit is it allows you to stay confident always. Because what is your task? Your task is just to question and keep quiet and just listen, right? Imagine that you are asking questions. So you don't have any other problem. You don't have to do any other thing. Just ask question and listen. In this way, you become confident. The second benefit is that you understand, you learn how to ask questions. And in this process, you also learn how the other person is responding. So what you are learning how to ask question. And from that person, you are learning how to reply as well. So both is happening. You asking questions and getting the reply. This is a great way to improve your thinking skill. The third, read English books and articles. Make a habit every day that you read whatever you want. You read newspaper, books, e-books, books in the internet you get, that is e-books, stories, whatever you like. But make a habit of reading. Reading is very powerful, my dear friend. In order for you to start thinking in English, reading will help you, believe me. Internet gives you with so many blogs. People travel, they share their experience in the blogs. You can go through this. You get so many ideas about different places. But be careful what you read. It should not be too tough for you to understand. As a beginner or as an intermediate, pick up some topics which is easy to understand. I have a book. This is the book, How to Speak English Fluently. If you are learning English, all the tips and tricks will be mentioned in this book. If you want, you can buy the book. Link I will give in the description. So what are the benefits of reading? Reading enhances your vocabulary, your grammar improves, and overall your language becomes good. You understand how to form sentences, what idea the author is sharing in the book. So second benefit, it helps you to pick up the key information, what the author wants to express, and you will be able to summarize it effectively. So in this process, you will be able to collect the main information which will help you to improve your speaking skill. And when your speaking skill improves, when your thinking skill improves, you think fast and you speak fast. Number 4, play the narrative story daily. I do this every day, believe me. Seriously, it helped me. So I keep doing this every day and I tell everyone to practice this. When you practice this storytelling or narrating yourself, it improves your thinking in English skill. What you will talk. At the end of the day, take out 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Sit down in such a place where there is no one to disturb you. Okay, make sure that for the next 10 minutes, it is just you. Okay, once you are comfortable, just think what you did the entire day. Once your thinking is done, try to narrate that. Okay, it's not like very quietly you will talk. No, you have to speak it out loud. Topics, pick it up of your own. But I would say what I do is that I will just talk about what I did the entire day, what I'm going to do tomorrow, how am I feeling right now, what are the challenges I'm facing at the present moment in my life, and what's going on in my mind. All these things I pick up and try to express. Let me give you a small demo. So I'm sitting here, I'm comfortable now, and I will talk about how was my day. I woke up around 6 o'clock. I had my breakfast at 7. I went to my work and the whole day I was busy. At around 1 o'clock, I was so hungry. But unfortunately, I didn't find time to have my lunch. Around 4:30, when my meeting got over, I got 15 minutes to have my lunch. Post lunch, I had another meeting. Then around 8 o'clock, I came home. Now I had my dinner and I'm sitting here just to talk to myself. So this is how you can express your thoughts. This is an amazing way to start thinking in English. Make your mind powerful. I'm telling you, my dear friend. So what are the benefits? The first benefit is that it helps you to play with vocabulary. So today you are sitting here, you will be talking something. Tomorrow, obviously you will not talk the same thing, right? You will speak in your own words. You will try to use some other words, some other sentences. In this way, your sentence structure improves and your thinking in English improves. Second benefit, it will make you a better English speaker. When you know how to express your thoughts, you will know how to talk in English. Also, what you can do, you can also write it down, whatever is going on in your mind. Your thoughts, put it down point by point, and then talk loud. This is also a great way to improve your thinking skill. The final point, use a monologue dictionary. I'm giving you a link. This is one of the dictionary which I use many a times. So I would encourage you, if you want, you can buy this dictionary. Link will be given in the description. Why I'm talking about monologue dictionary? Many of us, what we do is that we have a bilingual dictionary where we take a word and try to translate it in English from our language to English. Instead, monologue dictionary helps you to translate from English to English. What are the two benefits? First benefit is that it gives a clear definition of that target language. As we are talking about English, it gives a clear picture of that word. What is the meaning of that word? How it can be expressed in English? The second benefit, it helps you to expand your vocabulary and language skills. When you use monologue dictionary, your mind will understand what is the meaning of this word in English. Okay, so your mind will pick up that and you can use it whenever required. No need to translate because you have already translated. Suppose the meaning of fortunate. Okay, fortunate means someone who is very lucky. So if you are translating from your language to English, then when you try to use it in daily life, you will be confused. Instead, you take a monologue dictionary. Fortunate means someone who is very lucky. It will be stored in your mind. You will be able to use it. Got it? So my dear friends, these are the amazing ways how you can improve your thinking skill in English. Remember, when your thinking improves in English, automatically your fluency improves. So I wish you all the very best. See you again. Thank you.